Welcome to Film Phones Tutorials. This tutorial will show you how to set up your device and manage contacts. Let's begin with profiles. If you're using one prop phone for multiple characters, you can add a profile here. This will keep flows, contacts, and device settings saved and separate from other profiles. Let's look at device settings. Here you can choose which operating system your prop phone will mimic. If you have product placement and the correct clearances, you can use Apple iOS, Samsung Galaxy, or Google Pixel. Please note, Android themes will only be accessible on Android devices. Alternatively, you can use our royalty-free interfaces F, P, 1, 2, and 3, which require no clearances. You can then adjust battery and signal levels to suit your script. If signal is set to 0, it will display no signal on your status bar. Having it set to no signal will result in your outgoing calls and texts failing. We then have options such as dark mode, font size, pocket safety, which helps when phones are being pulled from pockets, home screen fit, which will help with smaller screen phones, and detail color, which will change the color of your clock and status bars. Under these, you will be able to apply lock screen and home screen wallpapers. Message colors can also be edited. At the end of device settings, you will find the keyboard map. Here you can edit which keys trigger your flows actions. Let's take a look at contacts. Film Phones comes preloaded with 50 contacts, all of which are common names for clearance reasons. You can edit or delete contacts if necessary. To add a new contact, simply add the contact name. You can also add a number, contact picture, or poster image if needed. Click Add and your contact will be added to your contact list.